Hi everybody, I'm going to show you today how to make a squid essential cilantro chutney. Very simple. I used it with every Indian food. They're sweet, they're sour, they're spicy. There are many different kinds of chutneys. But one of the most common and easily made is the cilantro. So here we are, we've got chopped cilantro. I'm going to put it in the blender. Ginger, jalapeno peppers, garlic, lemon juice, salt, sugar. Sweet and sour is an essential part of any chutney. This is a choice. You don't put vinegar, put only lemon juice. I like to put lemon vinegar because it gives it a little bit of shelf life. Put water and just blend it up together. Chutney is ready now. As a variation, you can always take 1 cup of yogurt and mix half a cup of this chutney in it, and it gives it another nice flavor or angle to it. We are going to be putting this in a samosa bun now, and it has many other uses. You can make raita out of it or whatever else you like.